There, collectors and sports cars enthusiasts. Welcome back to Card Collecting Central. Today we have a Monster Box pack from 2024 Topps Series 2. So let's jump in and see what we've got. And we're going to start out with Brandon Drury, Clayton Kershaw, Dylan Carson, Ezekiel Duran, Nick Allen, Baltimore Brotherhood, Brian Abreu, Ty France, Mitch Haniger, Kelvin Caceres, Luis Garcia, Home Run Challenge, Josh Jung, All-Star Bo Jackson, and finishing off with the stars of the MLB, Evan Carter, rookie. Thanks for checking this out. See you on the next one.